Nigeria decides, Atiku Abubakar defeats City Boy, Tinubu near El-Rufai's polling unit in Kaduna. It is no longer news that the highly anticipated 2023 presidential election is currently underway across different parts of the country. It would be recalled that the Independent National Electoral Commission, scheduled today for the election into the position of the president, as well as various positions in the National Assembly. It would also be recalled that there are 4 major candidates that are running for the position of the President of Nigeria in today's poll. The front-runners include Alhaji Atiku Abubakar of the People's Democratic Party, Rabiu Kwankwaso of the New Nigeria People Party, Mr. Peter Obi of Labour Party, and Asiwaju Tinubu of the All Progressive Congress. The voting process, which began around 8:30 a.m., is being concluded. Meanwhile, according to Daily Trust newspaper, the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party, Atiku Abubakar, won a polling unit that is close to Governor Nasir El-Rufai's polling unit in Kaduna State. Daily Trust newspaper also stated that, returning officer at polling unit 026 Maryam Abubakar announced the results. The returning officer announced that the PDP scored 116 votes, Labour Party 3 votes, New Nigerian People's Party scored 19 votes, while the ruling party APC scored 84 votes. This made Atiku Abubakar the winner of that polling unit. Hello guys, thanks for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel to get first-hand information and latest updates about the 2023 Nigeria elections.